very grandiose mind take, University of Rochester astronomy teacher Adam Frank proposes that a development could progress such a lot of that it could ultimately fiddle with the essential laws of physical science. A psyche-bowing recommendation adventures a long ways past the traditional structure of logical comprehension, an update that maybe we ought to try to consider some fresh possibilities, particularly as we proceed with our quest for extraterrestrial civic establishments. Assuming a development were to have the option to change the laws of physical science, the actual idea of energy itself, with laid out rules like energy preservation, would be dependent upon correction inside the extent of designing. Frank, who is essential for the NASA-supported Categorizing Atmospheric Technosignatures program, wrote in a paper for Big Think. Messing around, for example, as astrophysicist Caleb Scharf contended in an eyebrow-raising 2016 article, an outsider human advancement might possibly be behind dim matter, the hypothetical stuff that, taking everything into account, makes up most of mass in the universe. Plain takes the idea considerably further, proposing progressed outsider human advancements could blend and match actual regulations a way they see fit. It's all very unrealistic, and the astrophysicist is quick to recognize that, calling attention to that now it's essentially only fun to ponder these things. Plain reasons that while controlling these regulations might be really far-fetched, almost certainly, they put extreme cutoff points on life and what it can do. So it's conceivable that it essentially is absolutely impossible to get around the cutoff points forced by the speed of light, Frank yields. Yet, it's great to dream.